we're doing pre. There is storms out there. This is not a hurricane. Look, 3-foot seas. What kind of bull crap is this? But there is weeds. Lots and lots of weeds. Some turtles. Some storms on the pathway. Probably going to get wet. But it's looking. All these mangroves, yeah, a lot of mangrove shoots.
Right there.
Got some bait out there. Time to go, go, go. Yeah, the storm. Well, it is blowing. No 7 to 8 foot with these, but we're gonna see how it is out here. Yeah, at the beginning, yeah. Because a lot of times I'll get snapped off. Yeah. Hurricanes are coming. It's a popping. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. But this is Wednesday. It's supposed to get worse. Right now we're just dealing with storms, no lightning. But weed is still a problem. I think high tide is going to be worse. We're probably going to get wet in a few minutes. But I know it's really windy to even be able to hear what I'm saying. So I'm just going to shut up and see if we can get a bite or two. that big bull. See if you back up, Taylor. Back up and pull him back in. This way you got some more room to run with him. There you go. See how he comes back in? Stuck in that current though. Come off?
Yeah. He was lazy. He did not want to move, man.